Let's throw back on October 2023 mga ka-chicles. Ito yung inatinan naming UTV Takeover Hackfest sa Sand Hollow, Utah. Every event ay may iba't iba silang pa-contest. So this one is called Longest Jump or Wheelies. Requirement ng contest na ito is kung sino yung may pinakamalayong jump or narating dyan is siya yung winner. So, suddenly, hindi ko na na-record yung nanalo. Hindi ko na rin tanda kung ilang yards ba yung naabot nung winner. Kasi I'm too busy enjoying the contest and watching. So, ayun. Dami kong nakalimutan. If you are curious kung may mga na-aksidente ba sa ganyang contest, tingin ko wala naman. Siguro may mga medyo nasasaktan, but it's a small problem. Hindi siya ganun ka delikado. For now, ito na lang muna ang aking ma-explain sa inyo, mga ka-chicles. For more questions, I can answer you with the comment section or gagawa na lang ako ng panibagong video kasi madami pa akong stocks dito. So ito naman mga ka-chicles is a short race for teenagers or bata. So I don't know what is the age limit for this contest. Pero ang alam ko is as long as na yung sasali ay kaya niya mag-race is okay lang. Kasi safe naman ito at short race lang siya.